How we doing, traders? Welcome to the top 10 Benzinga stock market moments this week. Let's go ahead. Let's take a look and see what we find. Up first, Tesla here, number 10, reporting quarterly and annual deliveries that exceeded the most optimistic Wall Street forecast. The strong performance came on the backdrop of supply side constraints and derailed production plans of many automakers. Number 9 here, Elizabeth Holmes here has been found guilty of 4 counts of criminal fraud for her role in rise and fall of the blood testing startup Theranos Inc. Next up, we're going to get into, of course, none other than Ford. Ford here nearly doubles the F-150 production target. We're definitely going to watch as we go ahead and we see them open order bank on Thursday for reservation holders. As we get into, of course, on Wednesday, we got with what Wejo Group was trading higher on after the company announced a new connected vehicle platform with Microsoft Group called Wejo Neutral Edge. That led us into, of course, the Fed minutes. The Fed minutes really shaking up the markets this week. The Fed, of course, this minutes coming out of the December meeting and indicated that the officials are ready to aggressively dial back the policy help. One key aspect that was included was extended discussions about reduction in bond holdings in the coming months. This is definitely going to keep on watch as it not only affected the stock market, but also ended up affecting Bitcoin. Leading into our number 5 event here, which of course was Bitcoin, as it traded to its lowest levels since September after an early extended long decline after an all-time high of about 40%. The retreat comes after the minutes of the Federal Reserve published Wednesday as Bitcoin gets taken as a risk asset. Number 4 here, coming into Stellantis, STLA has signed a partnership here, multi-year agreement with Amazon.com, of course, which involves Amazon devices, Amazon Web Services, and Amazon Last Mile. The parties collaborated to deploy Amazon's technology and software expertise across Stellantis organization, including vehicle deployment, building connected in-vehicle experience, and training automotive software engineers. We'll continue to watch how this partnership develops. Leading into the number 3rd event today, this week. So we're going to watch as ARK really took a hit. We're going to go ahead and see they went down as far as 48% from the high at one point on Thursday, finding a little bit of a bottom here on Friday. We'll continue watching ARK, of course, on Pre-Market Prep and Money Mitch as we continue to see what's going to happen with ARKK. And of course, we can't talk about ARKK without getting into what happened on Thursday with oil prices rising sharply on an extended rally as escalating unrest in OPEC oil producer Kazakhstan and supply outages in Libya. So oil on the rise there. Last one, of course, is probably just the top talk of the week, which is, of course, this week we saw value stocks outperforming growth stocks. We're going to continue talking about this on our flagship show, Pre-Market Prep, every single weekday at 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. Eastern. And of course, we get into this with live trading after that. But we're going to see how do the value stocks perform next week going into that. This week, they definitely took the driver's seat over the growth stocks. We'll find out on Benzinga TV. Like always, guys, smash that like, and we'll see you next time. And let's see what happens next week in the stock market with Benzinga.